They all said it's gonna be loud. Hey everybody, today we got this Airtex fuel pump we're installing. As I'm sure most of you that are looking at this have done, has got on there, look at the reviews, see all the people that tell you how loud they are, how much they hate it, because nobody posts a review when good things happen. Well, let's install this, see how loud it is. I've just never really been one to take someone else's word for much of anything, so I bought it anyway. Let's listen to see how loud this sucker is. Okay, here it is, completely installed. Got it at an angle, new filter, everything they required you to do. I'm gonna turn it on and you can see how loud it is. That's not that loud. Like I'm like standing next to it and I can talk to you. That's how loud it is. The fuel pump in my newer truck in tank is louder than this. So there you go. Okay, well there you have it. That's your Airtex fuel pump installed and tested. As you can see, they're not that loud. I even talk next to it. So despite what the reviewers are saying, it's a fairly quiet pump. Hopefully this helps anybody looking for this pump. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below. If you want to see more like it, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.